Hey guys, in this video we're making an outdoor sofa using only 11 2x4s. We're starting off with 11 2x4s by 10 feet, and step 1, cut all your 2x4s. I have the cut list down below and also on screen. You need a miter saw, tape measure, speed square, and a pencil for this part of it. Alright, so right here we're measuring out the 72-inch pieces, getting them ready to get cut. Alright, we're cutting the 72-inch pieces. We're setting the scraps to the side. We're going to be using those for the next cuts that we have to make, the 25.5-inch. Next, we're measuring out the 25.5-inch pieces. You'll need 13 of those. You'll get 9 from the scraps of the first cuts, and then you'll have to use another one of the 2x4s that you have. And last, we're going to cut the two 28.5-inch pieces from the last 2x4 that there is. Alright, so here we have all our cuts. We have our 2x4s by 72 inches. We got 9 of those. Right there. And then we have the 25.5-inch. We have 13 of those. And then we have 2 of these 28.5-inch. Step 2, we're going to assemble the sofa seat part. You're going to need 5 of the 25.5-inch pieces and 2 of these 72-inch pieces, and you will lay them out accordingly. Starting from the outside and working towards the middle, measure and mark the following distances, 17.5 and 35.25 on each of the 2 side pieces. Attach the 72-inch pieces to the 25.5-inch pieces. I'm using a 1/8 inch drill bit to drill pilot holes so that none of the 2x4s will crack. I'm also using 3-inch exterior decking screws to put it all together. And I'm using 2 drills just so I don't have to switch the drill bits out, but you can definitely do this with just 1 drill. Yep. Now buy the drill bits. They come with this. There's a pack that comes with this little sleeve right here. This is for longer screws when you're trying to keep them straight. It's a little bit harder. So put the drill in there and then slide the tip down. Helps to keep it straighter. I'm doing this with one hand. Next, assemble the sofa legs using the 28.5-inch piece as the top and 4 of the 25.5-inch pieces as the legs and the center rails. The rail will be placed 14 inches measuring from the bottom of the sofa leg up. The fourth 25.5-inch piece will be placed underneath the rail to form a 90-degree angle. Step 4, you're going to attach the sofa seat to the sofa legs. Step 5, attach the back piece at an angle into the arms. Step 6, attach the seat slats to the seat. You can measure out the distance so that it can be perfect. I just eyeballed it. And last, I added a piece of 1x2 on the back just to keep the pillows from falling out. I had built one of these previously and the pillows would fall out from there. Step 7, sand as needed. Step 8, I stained it using a gel stain, the same color that I used previously on my first video where I made the modern outdoor chair. So I just brushed it on there and I was wiping it off as I went. And here's the finished product. Don't forget, if you like the content, hit the like button below, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys.